Alright, this is the Apple Vision Pro unboxing. I ordered this when it was first ready for pre-order on January 19th, and it's finally here. I almost didn't get it because I thought that they weren't going to deliver on time because it said it was going to come on Saturday. But we got it here. It's Friday, the February 2nd. Almost forgot the date. But yeah, we are here and let's start unboxing. Just going to start with the small box first. It has this super cool pull tab right over here. So we're going to go ahead and pull out that tab. Awesome, and look at that. It says Vision Pro Zeiss. So Zeiss is the lens manufacturer for the Vision Pro. So if you need prescriptions or vision correction, Zeiss is the ones making those lenses, so it'll magnetically attach to the headset. So this is it right here. Look at that. And then the back over here it says Zeiss. Awesome. So let's go ahead and open these. Pull on that. How is this open? Right there. It says Prescription Optics by Apple and Zeiss. Reads right over there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take these out. Oh wow, there's a lot of paperwork in here actually. And then here you have the actual packaging for the Zeiss lenses. So we're going to go ahead and open these over here. Now apparently you're supposed to scan this with your iPhone to attach the prescription to the headset so it knows how to correct for your vision. Over here it says place the Zeiss lenses, Zeiss optical inserts over the display, and then they will snap in magnetically when properly positioned. And then when prompted to scan the code, which is right here, right there, and it'll pair your Zeiss inserts with the Apple Vision Pro. There they are. Those are my prescriptions. And for the prescriptions, you did have to upload your prescription during checkouts, and then it'll actually tell you if you need prescriptions or not, or if just the regular readers will do, or if you don't qualify for the prescription lenses. In this case, I did. But I uploaded it when I did the pre-order, and then Zeiss went ahead and made those inserts for me. Alright, so this is the main event. This is the Vision Pro box. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. We have this very nice pull tab over here. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Alright, let's get this over here. This box is impressive. Here we go. The Vision Pro box. This is the 1 terabyte option, and that says it right on the back over here. Right there. And then you have the Vision Pro writing along the side with the picture on the front. Super cool. Okay, so how do you unbox this? Okay, 2 pull tabs. Sorry for my really jank setup. Okay, so right over here, we're gonna pull this. Number 1. And on this side, we have number 2. And it just comes out. There you go. Wow, look at that. I feel like my head's bigger than this. Are we sure we got the right size? Alright, so this is the Vision Pro right over here. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's incredible. It's actually a lot. I know everyone's saying it's super heavy when they first grab it. This is actually surprisingly, I thought it was going to be a lot heavier. When they were saying that this is heavier than other virtual reality headsets, I thought it was going to be like wearing a bowling ball on my head. But this actually feels pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off the front sleeve. You go ahead and just pull this and review the front glass. I can't see it yet. It looks good though, right? Oh, I can see it in the reflection. Check that out. So over here you have all of the sensors down on the bottom that can reach your hands. Cameras, infrared, you even have LiDAR on here as well. The sensors go all the way around, and this is what provides the pass-through for the headset. And then right over here you have, along the side, you have the speaker pods. This delivers the spatial audio to your ears to make it sound like you're actually in your environment. So I'm really looking forward to trying those out. Along the back, this is the solo loop. This is the band that it comes with. It actually comes with two different bands. This is the solo loop, and you have the dual loop, which is in the box. This one over here, you twist aside to have it tighten and cinch to your head. And it actually, oh, this is super soft. This is super soft. Wow, I didn't expect that. And then over here, you also have the light seal and then the frame or the cushion for your head. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Actually, let's do the paperwork stuff first. So this lifts up like this. This is super thick. And then this is what the box looks like on the inside. So over here, let's lift this up. Have a lot of paperwork. So let's see what this says. I feel like I'm buying a car, you know, like when you like get the book and you're like reading through the book. Whoa, the pictures in here. And then right over here on the top, we also have the dual loop band. So you put this out. And this is the option that most people are saying are the more comfortable option, because it distributes the weight a lot better across your head. It's not all on the back of your head. So I'm excited to try this out for myself. You have the top strap and then the side strap, or the one that goes on the lower crown of your head. So this is definitely going to come in handy. Over here you also have the battery as well as the charging cable for the headset. This is a 30-watt brick with a USB-C cable, and this is the battery that does, whoa, it's attached. This is the battery that does come for the Vision Pro, and then this is the connector that connects on the side of the headset. This is kind of heavy, not gonna lie. Like putting this in your pocket, it's like you're walking like this. This is really heavy. And then you have the USB-C cable if you want to plug into the wall. Charging brick, charging cable. This is a braided cable as well in that white finish. That's really nice. I don't know how long this is yet, so we'll see how long that is. Hopefully you can use it when you're plugged into the wall and walk around a little bit. You also have more paperwork in here, as well as the polishing cloth. This polishing cloth is not as thick as most of the cloths that we're used to seeing inside of other products like a Mac. This one's actually really thin, has that nice finish, and it says Vision Pro on it. Look at that. I like fine details like that. Very nice. Next thing, this is the light seal. This, I want to say, is an extra version. It's a little bit thicker in case you need the, forgot the word, the optical inserts. So this is the one that you would use instead. The one that's currently on it right now is a thinner seal. So we're going to revisit this later on. Alright, back to the main event. It is time to unbox. It's already unboxed. It's time to unwrap the Vision Pro. We're going to undo these little side tabs, and this little cushion comes out. Is this what my head looks like? That's crazy. And on the inside over here, you also have the optical inserts. So this is all supposed to be a magnetic system. So when you pull this out, just like that, that just comes out super easy. And it says what size it is. So this is like the W. I don't know what the other one says. I should go check that actually really quick. Let me go there. This one says W plus versus W. So this is, actually you can see it side by side. It's a little bit thicker right over there. Yeah, and you have the magnets on the side. And then one more right over here. You can also remove this, and this is the light seal. And right over here, this is the entire computer on the inside, including the lenses. You can actually remove this one step further and pull on these orange tabs on the inside to remove this band. But I'm going to leave it like this for now and try it with this, because this is how it was meant to be shipped. So we're going to try it like this. We're going to go ahead and actually put on the optical inserts, so I'm not blind while I'm using this for the first time, because that would be horrible. Okay, we're going to use right over there, the left and the right. We're going to take this out, and it should be as easy as sliding this in. How's it? Oh, let's do another one. Wow, so that was super easy, just like that. All right, and let's reassemble everything. We're gonna put this on the inside, like so. Awesome, and then we're gonna use the W plus right there, and now it's all set up. So one thing I definitely did notice is that the front glass is a fingerprint magnet. Like, I have really sweaty hands, and when I touch it, it like definitely leaves marks. Like, you can definitely see all the marks being left over here. The other thing is that while the magnets are really strong, when I'm holding it like this, it feels like it's gonna like come apart in my hand. I definitely know why they use the magnets, so it's a really really easy interchangeable system is what I meant. And so you can just swap out the pieces, but in turn it kind of makes it feel like it's gonna fall apart in my hand. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this in right over here. So basically you're gonna line up the dot to the dot over here, just like that, and then you're gonna twist right there, and then it should be turning on. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's tell how I look. This would be weird. Like my hair is all sick. Is this on? Something's happening. Whoa! Okay, so it says, let me put this higher. There we go. And then twist this to tighten. Oh wow. Alright. Press and hold to align. Let's see, is it this one? And what happens is it auto aligns the displays to your eyes. And you have the Apple logo that pops up. And you can see out into your world. Whoa. This is crazy. What can you see? Slip this into my pocket. That's not the right way. Cool. And then I just see like this hello that pops up right in front of me. I'm gonna actually take a break right here, and we're gonna come back in another video to walk through everything in Vision Pro. But this was the unboxing video. Let me know what you think. Are these eyes really weird? Like, can you still see my eyes? Let me know what you want to see. I'm gonna be testing this out as much as I can, answering all the questions that you guys leave down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all those things that YouTube does, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.